Hey everyone, this is Steam with Miss C. Come on, gather around. We'll start in just a few minutes. Make sure it's. Hey everyone, this is Candace Finley, founder and CEO of Esteem Learning Inc. And this is Steam with Miss C. Thank you all for coming in today. Today we're going to talk a little bit about technology and what is the drive behind technology, which is coding. Have a little definition up here of what is coding. Coding, in so many words, is what the language of all electronics use in order to perform the tasks that we need today. For example, we have what you have here, a binary code, a sequence of zeros and ones. For example, when you are on your phone and you're texting someone or you're even typing up a note, before a computer actually knows what you want it to do, there is someone called a coder or a programmer actually going in and using this binary code and turning it into, again, the language of all electronics. So for example, when you press A on your phone, this comes up, 01000001, and then the letter A comes up. So again, fun ways to learn about how tedious or how hard, not necessarily hard, but it takes a lot of detail to program our cell phones, program our computers, program your electronic stereo that's in your car. Basically, all the technology that you use today has some kind of coder behind it, someone who is coding it and programming these tasks together. So, when you press the on and off button, when you are calling Alexa to give you a certain task, or Google, hey Google, that is the only way that the computer or the cell phone or the electronic device knows what you're doing. So if you don't have computers at home or the technology that you need, it's cool. I have a fun activity that you can use at home. As you see, I'm inside the lab here in Eatonville, at the EWE lab here. But you can also do this task at home. As you see, I started with painter's tape, okay, landing out a maze, how to get to this particular chair right here. You can do this activity as much as you like. If you want to, test your kids on an unfamiliar area, how they can follow directions with piece by piece, brushing your teeth, making a sandwich, unlocking the door, any type of task. Using this, again, will help them learn a little bit more about what it takes to become a programmer or a coder. Anybody could do that. It just takes time, just like with anything. It takes time and practice. So I just want to show you real quick. As you see, I have this maze left out. And I'm doing this with my eyes, open. But I just want to show you a way that you could do it at home. What you're going to do with your kids, you're going to have them either close their eyes, and if you know they're going to cheat, then, use a blindfold. For example, I can tell them to walk 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Turn left. Okay? Turn left didn't say move, but I just asked them to turn left. Okay? Move forward 2 times. 1, 2. Okay? As you see, this didn't give me enough room, so I could ask them to back up 2. 1, 2. Okay? This is giving you something where you say, move forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then turn left. Okay? Move forward 2 times. 1, 2. Okay? I'm almost out of the maze, so maybe I need to tell them to move forward 1 step. Let's back up 2 steps. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. As you see, I stopped. Move forward 1. Okay? Turn right. Okay? Now, this might be a little task where you're asking them to move forward, what? Let's just say 5 spaces. Move forward 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, turn left. Okay? Move forward twice. 1, 2. Okay? Now, as I'm trying to get the chair, okay, what? Take your right hand out and move it forward. Okay? Place your right hand down. Okay? They might, stay down like this. Move it down twice. 1, 2. Okay? Move it down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now you touched it. Pull the chair out. Okay? They may not have pulled it out as much. Pull it out some more and move your feet back. Now, at this part right here, there is something what you call an if-then statement. If I pull the chair back, then what should I do? Move back. Okay, so let's start this again. An if-then statement is a condition that are used in more complex computer programming sequences. So, if I pull the chair back, I move back. Okay? Now, go to the left. Well, turn left, rather, excuse me. Okay? Move forward 2 steps. Okay? I move forward 2 steps, so let's back up 2. 1, 2. Okay? Move forward 1 step. Okay? Make a right. Okay? Move forward. Well, you didn't tell me how far I need to move forward. So that probably means to me a consistent move forward, and I might run into the desk. So move forward twice. 1, 2. Okay? Okay, move, well, in a sense, how are you going to perform this task? Could you ask them to move forward? Which that means you're going to have them pull the chair back. Again, these are things that you could talk about. This is a computer. One person that's actually doing the commands is what? The coder or programmer. And the person doing the maze is the computer. So you guys could take turns doing this. It could be outside where you want them to take a certain piece of equipment out of the backyard. If you want them to meet a certain destination. Anything. Just come up with different ideas. So for this, maybe I need to go back forward, backwards twice. 1, 2, turn right. Okay, move forward 2 times. 1, 2, turn left. Okay, now place your hand straight out. Place your hand down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, knowing this, again, this is a computer. Okay. You could also increase or what? As you know, they're moving their hand down. Okay. Move hand down. If I move my hand down, then when I touch something, I stop. conditional. Okay? If I move my hand down, then it will stop when I touch. Boom. Now I use something. Okay? Holding this again. Okay? When I pull the chair, I move backwards. Okay? Now that we have this out, how about maybe doing 2 steps back? Okay? Now, turn left. Move forward twice. 1, 2. Move right. Okay? Move forward twice. 1, 2. Okay? Then what? Turn right. Okay? Let's say move forward twice. 1, 2. Okay? Turn left. Okay? And sit. As simple as that. So I hope you enjoy this activity. Again, if you would like any questions about how you could do this and make it a little bit more fun, again, just doing simple tasks around the house, teaching yourself about coding, understanding that it takes detail to do the things that we're doing. But again, the human brain is already equipped in translating what we wanted to do in milliseconds. But for a computer, again, we have to teach the computer what to do. Okay? There's something what we have further now called machine learning that's out there, where actual computers are using algorithms, just in an example like Google, where you say you try to type in the letter P and all of a sudden it knows that you are looking for pizza. It's based on what you give the machine or what you give the computer. So machine learning is another thing that you could do, learn about as you're doing this computer maze. As you and your family members or your friends are getting used to what your commands are, 9 times out of 10, they're going to understand what you're doing. So again, that's another thing what a computer does. Again, I hope you like this activity. That's all we have for today. I want you to have fun and enjoy this with your friends and family. If you'd like to reach out to me, you can reach out to me at www.esteemlearninginc.com. You can also reach out to me on Instagram, esteem_learning, or help your friends and family join the group, STEAM with Miss C. We're also taping recordings on YouTube, so you can check out our YouTube page as well. Again, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed today, and hope to see you next Saturday. Looking forward to seeing and serving you soon. Thank you. Take care.